Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, TCS free NQT registration link is active now, and there is a big news which is coming here from TCS. TCS has released official document. We can see the step-by-step guide to fill up TCS NQT fresher hiring application form, TCS careers. Friends, many of you have lot of doubts, lot of confusion regarding the registration. So everything I am going to answer in this particular video. Step by step, TCS has given each and everything, okay, that what you have to do. Please don't do any mistake, okay. Also, I have mentioned don't register now. That also I will tell you why I have told that. Because you need to collect all the information, fill the form correctly. Later on, it will not be easy for you to edit, okay. Friends, see, we have the past experiences, and that's what I will be sharing you in this video. Also, many of the YouTube channel has already uploaded lot of videos regarding registration, friends, and I'm damn sure that you were waiting for the videos from us, and this video I'm going to clarify each and everything. Before we move ahead, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any update. Now, the first queries which I would like to answer, many of the students were asking, sir, the registration date is till 23rd of March, okay? And the exams start from 15th of March. How is it possible? Please try to understand. The last day to register is 23rd of March, okay? And 15th of March onwards, the exam is there. And this exam will be happening in phases, and it will go for 15 days or a month. So some of you, if you might register on 23rd of March, you might be getting the exam somewhere in, April first week or something like that. But you also have to understand, if you fill the form at the end, then you will not be getting the center, exam center of your choice. They might send you to some far location, so that also you need to understand it. And friends, I told don't register now. The reason is, please take some time, understand each and everything. Let other see, many times you learn from other mistakes. Many of the students will do many mistakes, and from there you will be able to learn, and you will be able to fill the form correctly. I don't want anyone to fill the form wrongly, incorrectly. That is the reason I'm making this particular video. But you take your time. By this week, you please fill the form. Okay, so as soon as you will start, okay, before that, friends, this is the link. And many of you were telling, sir, the thing is, I am not able to register because TCS has 6-month criteria, cooling period. So now this is very, very strict, the cooling period. So if you have appeared for the TCS exam, that on-campus exam within 6 months, then Code Vita and other things are fine. TCS NQT exam, if you have appeared in 6 months, then you will not be able to apply now. And that will be appearing on the window itself, okay? So as soon as you log into your next step portal, so here you will be able to see. So we regret to inform you that you have not cleared the TCS selection process. We would like to thank you for your interest with TCS and wish you all the best. As per the TCS eligibility criteria, you are eligible to reappear for the TCS selection process only after 6 months from the date of your previous unsuccessful attempt. Now friends, here if you are trying with different email IDs, different contact number, these are not going to help. They will be able to find it out by your data, your name, your mother name, your father name. All those things you will not be able to change, okay? So this will be the problem if you are going to register with that. Clear? Okay, so anyway, TCS is going to hire for Ninja, Digital and Prime role, 3.36, 7 LPA and 9 LPA. The last date to register is 23rd of March, and exams will be happening 15th of March 2025 onwards. Okay, ME, MTech, BE, BTech, MSc, MCA are eligible. Friends, BSc, BCA, BCom and all are not eligible. 2024 batch is also not eligible. This is only for the 2025 batch. Now, few things I would like to tell you, friends. In this particular website only, FAQ is there. So go through the FAQs. So most of your answers you will be able to get from there. I am not getting the apply for drive option. What should I do? Okay. So once you fill in the application form, log out and log in again, then only you will be able to see the apply for drive option. If you are not getting the apply for drive option, please check as below. So you have to check if you are registered under BPS, IT. So already, they have told the solutions. So you need to check, and if you are not able to find the solution using this, then trust me, none of the YouTuber will be able to help you out. You will have to reach to them too. Here you can say, you can reach to them, okay, for any kind of queries, any kind of doubts. But anyway, I will tell you how exactly you have to do. So as I can understand, most of you would have already filled the application form earlier. But if you have not filled the application form earlier, then also no problem, okay? So basically what you are going to do here is, so you will be clicking on register, okay? So let's go down and see where they have given this link. Okay, so next step portal anyway. Now once you go to the next step portal, the link which has been given there, okay, so now this document you have to clearly follow, okay, fine. So let us see one by one. So if you have not registered it earlier, then we have to follow this process, and if you have registered earlier, then I will just take you through one small PPT, okay. Now, so friends, if you have registered earlier, but if you have not applied for the drive, so here you see, this is how your TCS next step portal. So once you go to tcsnextstep.tcs.com.campus, so this link I will give you in the particular video description. So once you go here, you can see application form, campus commune, track my application, and how to apply, okay. So once you register on the next step portal, this is what will be shown to you. And also you see here, so welcome to TCS next step portal, okay. So here they have not written that you are not eligible, clear, okay. Now here you can see application form, campus commune, track my application, how to apply. You have to click on this application form. Once you click on this application form, you have to fill the complete application, each and everything that I will take you through. Please don't worry about anything, okay. And after you fill the form, okay, then once you fill all the form, then one pop-up will come. Would you like to apply for TCS recruitment drive? Okay, so you have to select yes, and then after that they will ask you, right, see, once you fill the form, you will be getting one option, edit application form PDF, campus commune, track my application, how to apply. And after that you can see they will be asking you for the test center 1, test center 2, test center 3, preferred job location, all those things. And right, so after this, if you come out from this, okay, suppose you selected here in this particular one, suppose you are selecting, okay, no, or at any point of time, if you'll go to home, you will be able to see apply for drive. So after that also you can apply. So right now you can fill all the application form, submit it, you can go to home screen, and later on also you can do apply for drive, and you will be able to apply for it, clear, okay. Now, so the other PDF file which I am going to share with you, friends, okay, so this particular PDF, right, which I am going to share with you, it will be there in the description. You have to blindly follow this, because you could see this is released by TCS. Now, so go to the TCS NQT hiring page. Once reached, scroll down and click on the registration button. So this is what link. So next step.tcs.com campus main.com. Okay, now click on register. So once you click on register, you have to be very careful, friends. You have to select IT. At any cost, please do not select BPS. Okay. After this, let me come this side. After this, you could see verification of your email. So you have to give your email ID. Okay. Now, so once you enter your email ID, then they will be asking you for a OTP. Once you enter the OTP, then you have to submit. Okay. After you enter the OTP, right, then they're asking you other verification, Aadhaar card, name. So if you have not registered first time, if you are landing to TCS page, their Aadhaar number and then name, date of birth, and then you have to proceed. Then the next page, you will have to privacy notice, you will have to agree to that. Then you'll have to fill some of your details like gender, mobile number, institute name, qualification, okay, nearest TCS office and all, and then you have to submit. Okay, now click confirm on the dialog box that pop-ups. Please check the details to make sure they are correct. Okay, fine. After that, on successfully registered with TCS. Okay, but wait, there are still steps left in the process to submit your application. Note down your reference ID. It will start with DT or CT followed by a string of numbers. For example, DT this or CT this. Then hit continue. Okay, so after that you hit continue. Thank you for registering with us. Please note your reference ID. For all further communication with TCS, click on continue and enter the OTP sent to you registered email ID, and then you will have to put the captcha and then next. Fine. Okay, verify the OTP sent to your registered email ID. This will take you to the next step portal. Put the OTP and then login. Same screen you will be getting when you will try to register and apply. Then you can see here how to apply, track my application, campus commune and application form. Click on application form. Click. Okay, so this is what you will be getting written over there. Then after that you have to fill the four particular things are there. Okay, so personal details, academics and work details, other details, application form, preview and declaration. So you will be start filling the form. Okay, and here you see, so you have to fill your personal details like your name, father name, date of birth, your permanent address, present address, contact details. Okay, fine. After this, next page, academic and work experience. So click on continue. Okay, fine. And then here you have to fill your highest educational qualification, which institute you are graduated, highest qualification, year of passing for highest qualification. Okay, and then save and continue. Click on save and continue. Fine. Then again save and continue. So then you have to fill your course name, course duration, course type, institute, university specification and grading system. Okay, and then 12th grade equivalent diploma, where you are going to fill your 12th grade, what was your specialization, university, institute, board of education, course duration, okay, course type, full time or part time, and then grading system marks. Okay, that is also done. And then your 10th grade, roll number, university, board of education, course duration, marks or CGPA. The current details in the example image for the illustrative purpose only. Please fill in with details that applies to you. And then any other qualification. So have you done any other course? If you have done, please select yes and then save and continue. Okay, and then so do you have any relevant work experience? If you have any work experience, you select yes or you select no. And then friends, if you go to declaration, do you have any break in studies? Have you done any other courses? Do you have any pending backlogs? Okay, please select details of academic projects undertaken. So final year projects you can mention. You have taken all subject marks into the consideration for calculating, yes. Okay, the marks obtained by each one of the above academic qualification had been secured in first attempt. Okay, you have considered only the marks CGPA. You have completed each one of, you have declared break in studies. So all those things you have to carefully select. Then you have not attended the TCSL selection process in the last 6 months. So you can go for yes or no. You have declared break. Okay, so and then after that I agree. Okay, and then please save and continue, and then you have to fill the language. So if you know Hindi, English, okay, and what is your mother tongue, so that you have to select, and then save and continue. If you have any kind of achievement, okay, so you can add the certification if you have, and then you have to fill your first and last name and then blood group, and then you have to upload your photo, and then you have to upload your CV. So all those things you have to do. Okay, and then you can see application form preview, so which you have filled the form. Take some time, go through each and everything. Friends, there is nothing to be in hurry. Spend some time, understand each and everything, and then once you verify the application form preview, maybe you get it checked with your brother, sister or your parents, and then click on I agree and then submit application form. So as soon as you submit the application form, would you like to apply for TCS recruitment drive? So yes or no. If you click on yes, then you have to select this nearest test center, preferred job location 1, preferred job location 2, preferred job location 3, and then you have to click on apply. You have applied for the recruitment drive. Okay, and then what you have to do, all the very best. That's all. So friend, this is how you are going to register for the TCS. Okay, so the complete process, this PDF I am going to give it to you. So it is released by TCS and it is definitely going to help you out. Friends, if you are really serious about cracking TCS, because TCS is one of the opportunity which you cannot miss, definitely you will be getting the onboarding that you already know. There are many people who have got the onboarding, and I am keep putting their photos. I'm keep telling you that, okay, these are the people who are, you see. So recently Fanindra Kumar, so he got selected in digital, and 20 of Feb 2025 he joined. Okay, then if you go, Anis joined TCS digital and he is going to join on 6th of March. Okay, then if you go down, Sahil TCS digital, he cracked and he is going to join on 13th. He already joined on 13th on Feb. Okay, so friends, this TCS NQT has helped, crash course had helped many of them to get their dream realized, working in digital and prime role in TCS. Now you don't regret later. This is the time where you have to put effort, and we are also putting a lot of effort for you all for small things, and we will be keep doing it for you. You do not have to worry. Take care, all the very best. Get this course today itself. In another 20 to 25 days we will prepare you for the TCS exam. That is our promise to all of you. We don't give guarantee, but definitely if you work hard and if I work hard, then result has to come, and you might be seeing the results which we have given in the past as well, right? So you will definitely be able to get placed if you and me both put effort together. Thank you. Take care, all the very best. We'll soon coming up with lot of live classes as well on our application, in our courses, and some videos on YouTube channel also.